so ridiculous, but this is the one thing that's going to make you profitable. So we're back again with another one. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you a rundown of this, I want to call it a journal that I'll be using. This is not a sponsored video. If the creators of this website watching and you would like to sponsor, then reach out, because I like this website. I'm gonna be honest. The link to sign up if you're interested will be in the description. It's free, so yeah, that's also another benefit about it. But it's a website called Trader Waves. So this is how the dashboard here looks. You can link your demo or real accounts to here. You know, you customize it however you want, what metrics you would like to appear. As you can see here, I haven't actually placed any trades. I just connected the account today. In my last video, I was thinking about using another website for whenever I'm ready to add a prop account, but I came here to accounts and I can see that you can add multiple accounts. And once your accounts are in here, to see the different metrics, you just tap on there and you know, you're gonna be able to see how your metrics look. I created a test account a little while back. It's not something that I'm actually placing any trades on. It's just something to see how they measure the metrics. So, you know, you have all these breakdown. I'm not going to try to outline all of this or detail all of this, because honestly, I do not know what all of this is. I haven't had the chance to properly go through all the different components of this website or this journal, but I did watch a video on it, and based on the video, the data that was collected for that trader, they were able to use that information, improve on their system, and get better results. So that is the whole reason as to why I'm doing this, why I'm connecting my accounts, why I'm journaling the whole process. Maybe being able to identify something about my own system could also make someone else aware that there's something that they could identify about their system, or this website could help them improve their results in some way, shape, or form. So that's why we're bringing it to you. And yeah, this is a brand new account that I connected. It's my own personal account. I created this morning, and I deposited $60 into the, well, $66 into the account to you know, be able to bring fresh metrics. This account has never had any trades placed on it. No wins, no losses, no trade history whatsoever. Created this account fresh this morning, so we could actually be able to gauge the data as we move forward. For right now, it's after 9 actually. It's 9:30 in the AM, and I don't have any trades as yet, to be honest. I haven't even looked at the charts properly as yet, but I'm going to do an analysis, gonna jump on a quick call with the team, see how everybody looking, see if anybody get any trade ideas or such. And once I find a trade, I'm gonna come back and give you an update on how this new website is tracking the information, whether we win, whether we lose, whether it's a break even, how many pips we gain or loss, and all these other things. I'm still gonna be journaling as per normal, but it's good to have this little extra metrics, you know. So yeah. So we are rolling. Brand new day, Thursday, the 30th of October, almost the final day in the month. You know how we deal with it. Anywho, we have this buy limit here on the US 30, as you can sizzle on the charts. But price looks so impulsive that I honestly don't believe that I can come out and give me the entry. But hey, we still hoping for the best. I ain't fighting it up. I ain't chasing the price. I am not going to be buying or selling at where the current price is. So unless it come back down and give me the entry, then I ain't gonna be trading again today. You can see this sell that's up here, right? They ain't actually supposed to be here. It was just a hypothetical trade. I did not actually take this trade, and if I did, it would be full TP pretty quick, within like an hour or something. But anyway, we fighting it. Still down for this week. 2 losses. If they catch the one trade, we would have been up 70 pips, but I ain't rushing it. That's right. So once we enter this trade, or if I do enter this trade, I still can come back and give you an update on what's going on with this. Currently looking into adding a scalping to a separate account just to try it out, you know, so that I can be a little bit more active in the charts, because I'm being honest, I want to trade. This whole discipline thing and trying to like sit on my hands and not trade every day is cool, but it's still scratching, you know. I would do this one for the profit and the other one for the sake of trading. So yeah, just have a much smaller account, probably open like a cent account and just trade like scalp like a backside. But anyhow, once we find a trade, I'll come back and give you an update for that. Good. So it is Friday, the end of the week. We are back. If you've been following the way I approach the charts now, especially US 30, then you would know that even though this trade looked like it hit stop loss there, it didn't qualify as a trade because I didn't get enough confirmations to actually enter this trade. If you know the way I trade US 30, all I do is wait for liquidity sweep on the hourly, and once that candle, that sweep liquidity, or the next candle closing in the opposite direction gets a 50% retracement within 2 hours, then I'm in that one. And for yesterday's trade, that retracement didn't happen within 2 hours. But I still left the trade parameters on the charts just so, you know, I would be able to see whether if I follow my rules and not take that trade, if I would lose or if I would win, and possibly reinforce a negative thought. But I ain't got no intentions of taking it anyways. I just wanted to record it and bring it to somebody else so I could show them what happens when you do not follow your rules. In this case, I actually followed my rules and it was beneficial as well. I'm able to prove to you that I would have lost this trade if I didn't follow my rules. Hence, less being more. I'm still down 2 trades for this week, so I'm down 140 pips, but one trade, literally one trade. It could be today, you never know, but that one trade could bring me straight out to drawdown and up 70 pips. So yeah, let me just delete it. Yeah, so I'll also give you a peek into the Trader Waves account to verify that I haven't actually placed any trades, and I'm gonna show you the MT5 as well. So same account number, same balance, and when we go to the MT5, same account balance. Will it show? Yes, same account balance. And then when we go down to the history, there are no trades placed in there. We're still sitting on our hands. It's not that hard, but the starter should come in and let you know I haven't placed any trades yesterday, and today I'm actively looking at the markets. As long as I find one, then hey, we in it. By the way, you this far into the video and you ain't subscribers yet, you want to lash brethren, just click on the subscribe button. It's free and become a part of the gang and we can grow together. We are back. It is Friday, couple hours later after I kind of filial in this morning. And as we speak right now, this one is at TP and coming back up. I am about to manually close it. This is how we're looking, right? We actually hit a full 1 to 3 on MT5 as well. It would be $14.70 something cents. Is actually, well, it was $15. It's now 15, bouncing around 15. So I'm gonna go ahead and manually close that one, like so. $15 and how much? 9 cents. There's actually something that I have to explain about this trade. If you can recall earlier, the first entry was at 10:30. So that was like on this bullish candle right here, and the trade looked like this because price came straight up and hit my stop loss. But when price did that, I sent it out in the community as well that I would be re-entering once we got back down to the entry. So I placed a sell stop directly at the entry where I entered the trade the first time and got stopped out and lost 70 pips. So when we go over to Trader Waves just now, you should see that loss reflected, and you should also see this win reflected. So far for the week, we've taken 4 trades, bro. 4 trades. Only took 2 on this $60 account, but with 4 trades and 3 losses of those 4 trades, bro. 3 of them were losses. I'd only be down 70 pips if I took all 4 of these trades on my live account. Since I only took 2 of these trades and 1 was a loss and 1 was a win, I am up 140 pips. So let's go over to Trader Waves now. Not seeing it being reflected here. So let me refresh. Still nothing. So we don't actually have anything in the dashboard, but I can see it here in the journal. When we come down here on the journal, we can see the daily journal net PNL is $9.94 for the day. That's 15% on the daily close. Starting balance at 66. End balance at $75. So we had no deposits today. And here we can see the trades that I took. 2 trails. There we can see the trades that I took. two sells. One was a L, bringing us down from 66 to $60.85, which was a 7.8% loss. And then we had a 15% gain from the 7.8% loss. So if we were flat, that would be something like what, 22%. But hey, we cool for the day. Profit factor 2.93, expectancy 4.97. Honestly, I've seen a few persons break down their data like this, and one very common trend I noticed is persons with like anything above 75% as a win rate, they profit very, very small. Like it's very, very little, right? But for persons who have like a 60 to like, let's say 65 to 45, some even 40, like literally 43, 42% win rate, they're like the percentage of profit that they overall make at the end of, let's say, 250 trades or 100 trades or 100 days is actually more than the person with the higher win rate. Because more often is the person with the higher win rate has a much smaller risk to reward ratio. So they win a lot, but they also lose, and the losses are so large that it kind of eats into the profit when they win. So the wins are small, the losses are almost the same size as the wins, but the high win rate does not really give them that much of a gap between the total losses and the total wins, if that makes sense, in the dollar value or the percentage value item. So I would very much like to keep my win rate anywhere between 40 to 65%. If it's above that, something ain't right. If it's below that, then something also probably not right. I don't know for profit factor and expectancy as yet. I haven't done that much research into it, but so far this site looks nice. I was kind of looking for the calendar thing. Where did this get? The trades that you take day by day on Monday or Tuesday, and what's your P&L for the day and stuff like that. But for right now, this is cool as well. This is all cool, and I'm also going to be trying out another site that does have the calendar form, so you get to see your journal on a daily basis, your P&L on a daily basis. But so far, this looks very nice, to be honest. It's not immediate because the trades were closed and nothing was reflected in the dashboard. It's still not being reflected in the dashboard. Maybe the dashboard is updated at the end of the day or something, but the journal itself reflects the data. Anyhow, it's Friday. I already made this video a little bit too long as usual. I didn't want to bore y'all. The trade done. We end the week profitable. Overall, in terms of my trading results, I would be down 70 pips for this week. But in terms of the actual P&L, we're up 15% this week. And yeah, it was a very, very good week. We barely took trades. We took 3 trades, 4 positions. And yeah, we're looking forward to seeing what next week has to offer. I'm going to be back testing over this weekend. Gonna bring you guys in with me. Might do some trade breakdowns before the back testing session and just combine it into one. Also going to be detailing a little bit more what I am learning from using these type of websites and how it could be used to improve my results as well, and how you could also use them to improve your results. But that's going to be it for this video. If you already made it this far, then appreciate you as usual, and I'll definitely catch you in the next one. Until then, peace.
Bye, have a great time.